What we have here is a 52-inch GE Kaiden ceiling fan. Three blades, brushed nickel finish, 4-speed electrically reversible with a remote control. This is installed in the second bedroom at my Grandma Jay's condo. This is, of course, the 2026 Remake. Three blades. Blades are reversible from this silver finish to just black. It is flush mounted, although it did come with a down rod. It probably could have been. Probably was better to be installed in a down rod because these are like 9-foot ceilings, I think. So it probably could have been on a down rod, but whatever. Here's the remote. Pretty basic remotes. You got speed up and down, reverse, fan on and off, light timer, and then a light button. Light is just an integrated LED. It's just integrated LEDs. Nice downward light. Pretty downward directed though. Light is dimmable, of course. And we will start out on speed 1. These were installed. These two Kaidens in the bedrooms were installed. She moved into this condo around 2016. I think these were installed a couple months later. So these have been up here since around 2016, maybe 2017. The Reese this was installed later, after these two. Because there's no light, there's no ceiling fixture, there's only the switch plug right here. It's the switched outlet right here. This switch does the top half of that plug. Bottom is constantly on. It's half. This is a half outlet, half hot outlet. The bottom is constantly fed because, as you can see, for all the stuff here for the TV, the cable box, and the Google. And then the top one is the top one is the switch by this switch. So she put it over the dining room table and placed the pendant light, another one of those. Speed 2. Even with it being flush mounted, I can actually feel some air from it. It actually blows a decent amount of air. These used to be sold at Costco years ago. This GE brand, it was these Kaidens, and then it was the Reese, and then I think there was one in between, another GE fan. I just can't remember the model name. And then, of course, they're started switching to selling Hunters now. Well, in the Artica Fandeliers, speed 3. Like, even, I'm standing, like, right here at the entrance, so I can actually feel some air from it. Like, it blows some decent air for being a modern fan. Speed 4. Yeah, it is stirring up. It actually throws a good breeze. Nothing like a modern vintage fan, of course, but it's a good, at least I think it's a decent fan. It's actually a pretty decent fan, especially for the money, because usually these are from Costco, so you get them on sale. There's the lights. And we'll go ahead and do spin down. Go ahead and turn this water off before I forget. Ow! Freaking stubbed not on my toe, but the freaking vacuum tried to hurt me. Yeah, she's in Mexico, so I'm checking on her place pretty much every weekend. Well, I didn't go this weekend, but because it was slippery, but I'm doing for today, even though it's Monday, but and we're almost stopped. Sorry, I was messing around with one of these rechargeable power nightlight with the rechargeable battery. I get distracted sometimes. Oh, okay. Epic fail. I don't know why I said that. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!